Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetarian potato chop. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the vegetarian potato chop. For the first part, you'll need 4 yellow potatoes, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some light olive oil for frying. For the second part, you will need 1 cup of mixed peas and carrots, 1 bunch of spring onions that I've just sliced, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of salt. And this is how your potato chop should look like. Serve it with some salad and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!